Tesla's service mode is a safety feature that activates when the car detects a problem, such as software glitches or hardware faults. When active, it disables normal driving controls and displays a service-required message on the touchscreen. This prevents unsafe operation, but can be frustrating if the app or car is stuck in this mode. Learn the key reasons for service mode activation, like incomplete software updates, sensor issues, or even aftermarket modifications. Before attempting more complex solutions, try a soft reset. This simple step can often resolve temporary software glitches. To perform a soft reset, hold down the brake pedal and press the power button for about 30 seconds. In newer models, you can use both steering wheel buttons instead. This forces the car's system to restart, potentially clearing the service mode flag. It is essential to wait for the screen to completely turn off and then back on. The Tesla app is a valuable tool for resolving service mode issues. First, ensure your app is updated to the latest version, specifically 4.15 or later. Once updated, look for the Service Mode Resolver within the app's service menu. This tool guides you through automated diagnostics. The Service Mode Resolver can send a command to reset the car's electronic control unit, effectively clearing service mode. Make sure your phone has Bluetooth capabilities for the app to communicate with the vehicle. If a soft reset and the Tesla app solution don't resolve the service mode issue, a hard reset by disconnecting the 12 volts battery may be necessary. This method power cycles all vehicle systems to clear persistent errors. First, locate the 12-volt battery in your Tesla. Consult your owner's manual for the precise location, as it varies by model. The battery is typically found in the engine compartment under the hood. Once located, carefully disconnect the negative terminal of the 12 volts battery. This is the black cable, usually marked with a minus sign. Wait 10 to 15 minutes to allow all systems to fully power down and reset. After the waiting period, reconnect the negative terminal securely to the battery post. Make sure the connection is tight to prevent any electrical issues. Important note: this hard reset method may not work on all newer Tesla models, particularly Cybertrucks, which have more advanced battery and electrical systems that require different reset procedures. First, ensure your Tesla is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. This connection is crucial for checking and downloading over-the-air updates. Next, on your car's touchscreen, tap the Controls button and then select the Software option. This will open the Software Update interface. In the Software section, check for any available over-the-air updates. Tesla frequently releases these updates to address known problems, including service mode glitches. If any updates are pending, proceed with the installation. Tesla's servers can push fixes remotely, which often solves service mode problems automatically. Service mode can be triggered by faulty sensors. Common issues include tire pressure sensors, camera sensors, and ultrasonic sensors. If you suspect a sensor issue, check for error messages on the touchscreen. Look for alerts about specific sensors or systems. Sometimes, recalibrating the sensors through the service menu can resolve the problem. Access this through the vehicle's settings. However, if sensors are physically damaged or malfunctioning, professional repair at a Tesla service center will be necessary. If the troubleshooting steps from previous sections haven't resolved the service mode issue, it's time to contact Tesla service. Persistent service mode issues may indicate a more significant underlying problem that requires professional attention. Schedule an appointment through the Tesla app or website. The process guides you through selecting a service location and preferred date and time. You'll see available dates and times, with options clearly displayed for your selection. Be prepared to provide details about the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. Wait times for service appointments can vary by location, averaging 2 to 4 weeks in some areas due to high demand for Tesla service. Keep track of all your diagnostic steps to share with the Tesla service team, helping them resolve the issue more efficiently. Tesla is continuously improving its software to reduce service mode incidents through advanced diagnostics and proactive updates. Future developments include AI-driven diagnostics that predict issues before they occur, and self-healing code that automatically resolves problems without user intervention. To prevent future service mode occurrences, keep your Tesla's software updated, avoid aftermarket modifications that could cause compatibility issues, and regularly monitor your vehicle's performance through the Tesla app. Be aware of cybersecurity risks where hackers could exploit service mode vulnerabilities. Tesla addresses this by enhancing encryption in software updates to protect against potential threats.